remove the light assembly, you have to take these two bolts out. Use a 10mm socket. And take the light assembly, and there's two pins over here, and they pop out this way. Just like that. And disconnect the connector. Push down on the tab. Slide it out. Take the bulbs out, just twist the socket to the left, and then grab the bulb and just slide it out. This is a W21 bulb. Just reinstall it. Slide the socket in place and twist it to the right. Grab the other socket, twist to the left, slide it out. Just grab the bulb and pull. This bulb is a W21W bulb. It's a single filament. Line that up, and then line the socket up and twist it to the right. Reconnect the connector, lock it in place, and we'll align these tabs up. There's two little grommets right there. And just push it in, just like that. And get the two bolts started. And when they're lined up, just tighten these down. And get the two bolts started. And when they're lined up, just tighten these down.